Novaliches. Kaya kasama lang sa Money Magnet. Ito ang event na yun sa Sintrix. January 25. Ayan, Sintrix. Chan Kalub. Ang awardee. Sa Money Magnet. Si Coach. Si Lunche Agas. Ayan, Sintrix. Mga pila. Chan Kalub.
Ay, kaparan. Ito sa bag ko. Wait lang. Wait lang. Pila na kayo.
Ito, ang mga pila namin. Si Coach.
Magkasta kaya sa tindahan? Kung may pera ka dyan, pwede mo lang napalit na ako. Guys,
Since the money is in pictures, kung ano yung mga pictures and movies na nakikita natin or nakikita. So for example, bigyan ko ng idea, okay, kung araw-araw iniisip mo palagi yung future mo, lahat ng dami yung future mo. And kung araw-araw iniisip mo mga pangalan mo, let's say your in-house or your car, yun ang pupunta sa buhay mo. Like a magnet.
Like a magnet.
Exactly.
So what do you mean? So your life becomes what you think.
Yes, we become actually what we think about, independent of the validation that we give out.
Sabi ko yun kasi ang pag ng pag-ibig natin, ang pakikita ng pera.
Exactly. So to give you a bit of a bigger picture, kasi ako 2006, that was a year and a half ago, kung galing na we had to negotiate. A lot of people ask me, paano kung hindi punta nila nila just a few weeks after that? So paano kung hindi so we haven't been much action. One of the basic things na pinakamadali mo para ma-activate yun is to simply cut out pictures kung gusto nyo ma-attract sa buhay mo. So for example, ano yung gusto mong magiging itsura niya?
Maybe not work kasi I was in grade 6 and cut out pictures of a picture. And you also
Exactly. I think that's the
and if you put it picture, what's the
That's actually where you're using a lot of traffic.
When I was also 8 years old, about grade 2, I already drew a picture of my house. It was a white house with a pool. And 16 rooms. And no, I didn't want to put the rooms. And then I said that this is going to be my house.
Hanggang umasenso ka ng buhay.
I work myself really hard and I moved to the top level in the 2000s. I worked for as a professional salesman. I was able to save enough money to start my own business together with some partners.
Iniwan ang trabaho at nagbukas ng kanyang sarili negosyo, nagkaroon ng 2 restaurants. Ngunit,
It seems that sa business na ginagawa ko, it's not really aligned. Everything started to go down a little like I had started to incur a lot of credit card debt. Nasa hundreds of thousands yung utang ko. And matilang ko actually talagang nawala. So talagang bagsak na bagsak.
sa kabila ng kanyang pagbagsak, ay may kabayan na umagal sa kanya. May tutuloy ng isang ligaya ng langit ang pagdating ni Jack Canfield, author ng Chicken Soup for the Soul. Si Jack ang kanyang naging inspirasyon upang magsimula muli at harapin ang buhay na puno ng pag-asa.
He introduced me to a movie called The Secret, which exposes what we call the law of attraction.
Dahil dito ay nag-turn around ang kanyang buhay.
I was able to launch a new business in the company ko. which is talagang sobrang glorification siya ngayon.
Ang kanyang pag-asenso ay nais din niyang ibahagi sa kapwa Pilipino. Sa katunayan ay nagsagawa na siya ng series of seminar at ngayong Nobyembre, muli siya maglulunsad ng seminar workshop kung saan ay ibabahagi niya ang sikreto of attracting wealth and how to harness the law of attraction.
Ang highlighting program ko is called the 21 Day Experiment. Where you go through my program, and dun sa dulo ng program ko, meron kang gagawin na you will set a goal that you want to reach in 21 days. Now, yung sa seminar ko, you can set whether it's a small goal or a huge goal. It doesn't matter. Sa 21 days, kung you want me to do it, ma-achieve mo yung goal mo. So sabi ko, in 21 days, I'm going to buy a green car, which is a BMW. So ginawa ko, sinundan ko yung tinuturo ko sa training ko. It did not take me 21 days to get my dream car.
Looking at my bank statement, I used to have a 3-figure balance paid off and a 6-figure po.
And his top secret to success?
What you actually think of and focus on, whether consciously or unconsciously, yun yung na-attract ng person given mo.
A powerful life-changing program on attracting wealth and harnessing the law of attraction has indeed attracted a multitude. Dahan-dahan Kapinoy ang idinong sa John Cowan's Attracting Wealth Seminar sa SM Bangalore, Camarena. Isang patunay na marami tayong nabubuhay ang nais kong masenso.
All you have to do in order to become wealthy is to decide today that you want to become wealthy.
Like attracts like. Kaya naman ang pamilya Egoen, isinama pa ang dalawang anak at ang buong pamilya para matuto sa mga sikreto ng pag-asenso.
We find the seminar really worth it. So we decided to take both kids with us so they can learn at a very young age, learn how to attract wealth.
Ang 10 oras na interactive learning seminar ay sulit talaga. Sadyang napaka-powerful ng seminar kaya mapabaga mga matanda. Marami talagang natutulong sikreto para maabot ang kanilang mga pangarap.
The most important thing actually that I learned is wala kang limit ako. So whatever I want to achieve, I can do it.
Maraming mga gustong itulong ko pinag. Sabi nga, unlock your unlimited potential to achieve everything you desire.
Ang dream ko, I will have 2 million pesos at isang brand new Fortuner. I think I can do that with this kind of training and exercise.
At an ultimate success formula to making dreams come true, decide what it is that you want. Take massive action. Notice what happens. Change what you do until you reach the desired outcome. Isa rin sekreto para mas maging epektibo at upang magkatotoo ang mga pangarap ay sa pamamagitan ng paggawa ng dream board. Isang vision presentation ng mga nais mong makamit sa buhay.
This is a 3-year training. So basically, may mga limang aspects of your goal. Meron financial, physical, relation, intellectual, and spiritual.
Matami ang na-inspire.
Informative at meron akong mga katanungan ko na dito ko pala malalaman ang sagot.
The good news na sinasabi ko dyan, at sobrang na-overwhelmed kami.
Isa rin sa sumuporta sa training ang isa sa pinakabatang milyonaryo at book author na si Lloyd Luna.
Ang Attractive Wealth Seminar ni John Cowan ay isa sa mga tools kung paano natin ma-discover yung wealth creation na tinatawag, kung paano tayo uunlad sa pamamagitan ng ating pag-iisip at paggawa ng tama.
Wala na naman pagsidari.
And I'm going to play a piece of it, and then I'm going to let it join the group of Shards of Broken Glass.
Can I touch one? Kasi don't touch it.
It's really very essential. Okay? Now, yung pagkakad dito, our purpose for letting you look here is not to, we don't teach people how to walk on broken glass. Again, what we're doing here, this is only a metaphor. In our training courses or motivational training courses that we do, what this glass represents are basically yung challenges natin sa buhay natin. But then again, if we can face these challenges without any fear, or we can let go of lahat ng kinakatakutan natin, we can arrive safely at the end, successful and safe.
Diana, ano nararamdaman mo ngayon?
Hardcore.
So watch me closely because you're going to do this after I try.
And things that you're supposed to show in your life, right?
What you want to do is imagine you're as light as a balloon. Now, before you let go, okay, of your other foot, make sure that the foot that you're using to step on the broken glass is already stable, and that there's nothing protruding, and it's going to hold you safely. Now, when you're already confident, slowly and gently let go of your other. Alright? Then don't step yet. Okay? Feel which part, like here. Something is protruding here. So I'm not. Now, okay, look at the glass. Okay. 1 to 10, I want you to put a series at walking.
For today,
So it's a privilege and honor to introduce our guest speaker for today. He's trained and coached more than 300,000 people around the world in the areas of success, manifestation, and peak performance.
ito pa, he has been personally trained by the world's best business mentors like Robert Kiyosaki, Brian Tracy, Jack Canfield, John Maxwell, Tony Robbins, and the billionaires Donald Trump, and Richard Branson. Bigay talaga.
His trainings and coaching sessions have produced thousands of multimillionaires and success stories. And also, he's been featured in Forbes magazine and was awarded in Hollywood at the Experts Award, gaining him recognition as one of the top leaders around the globe.
And also, he is the co-author of the Abundance Factor book, which became the #1 best-selling book in Amazon in 2018. So he also co-authored the book Pillars of Success with Jack Canfield, which resulted him to receiving this prestige Quilly Award in Beverly Hills, California.
Grabe, so talagang world-renowned tong next speaker natin. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome the Philippines' #1 success coach and the chairman of Success Mall and Success Community. Once again, let's give it up for John Cano! Good morning! Batiin mo na yung katabi nyo ngayon, sabi mo, handa ka na bang yumaman? Alright, tayo muna tayo lahat. Okay, everybody sing. Yes! Okay to, sabi ko, maaga ako natapos. Alam niyo ba, sinisave ko yung PowerPoint, nag-crash yung computer ko, ayaw na mag-on. Alam mo, patay ng bata. Alright, and I had to reboot my computer. Ang dami kong ginawang no? Buti na lang medyo marunong ako ng konti sa tech. No? So,